arowana also have a keen eyesight. Okay. They can first identification of prey above surface of water. And silver arowana also is an omnivorous feeder where they can feed on fish, aquatic insects, birds, and also plants matter. Right, besides that, we have alligator garfish. Okay, you can find this alligator garfish at North and Central America, okay, or in the slow-moving pools such as large rivers, swamps, and also lakes. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, seems that our feeding session has come to an end. You can say bye-bye to our divers. Okay, and thank you everyone for your attention and